Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is First Junkie, and I'm so excited to share with you my latest handbag purchase from Louis Vuitton. And this was ordered last, I believe, Wednesday or Thursday, but I missed the shipment yesterday, so I picked it up from UPS. And I'm sorry guys, I am not able to pronounce the correct name for this item, so I'm just gonna write it down below. So here you go. This is one of the newest item from Louis Vuitton, and I was actually browsing the Louis Vuitton site when I saw this, so I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on it. When I looked at the website, it was call to order or something like that, or call for availability. So this item is very hot right now, so it's hard to get it, so make sure you contact your sales associate to get this. All right, so sorry for the noise guys. So this is a true unboxing, came from Las Vegas. Out. And I'm sorry guys for the lighting, it's already almost 8 o'clock tonight. Alright, so this is it. Came with the ribbons. Anyone has a guess? Oh, this is new. I've never had this given to me before. I guess this is the receipt, and I guess they ran out of the orange receipt envelope. So this came from Louis Vuitton Las Vegas City Center. Alright, so I'll show you the name later on. And this is, there you go. This is the newest round handbag that they've released, and I'm so excited. Look at this. It has a nice patina all over the vachetta, and this came with the lock, as you can see, and the tag with the LV right here, and then you can put your name or whatever you want to put here. There's like a plastic window. Came with two pull tag here, which is a vachetta as well, and then this is what the back looks like. Has the LV embossed there, and then this has a Louis Vuitton, and it's very tiny, can't really see it. So this is the name of the item and the number, and this is how much it cost. Okay, inside is the small dust bag for the lock, the care pouch, or the care card or care booklet, and then it's the same thing. M52294. This is the textile card, and then let's see. This baby right here is made in Italy. This is my first bag from Louis Vuitton that is made in Italy, and it has a suede lining inside, and it's brown, like a tan color, and then there's just a slip pocket here, which you can probably put like a cards or like a card holder. All right, so this is what it looks like. So normally I think I saw like maybe one or two unboxing of this bag, and on the website I think this should have been here, like tucked inside here, so that it won't be like dangling like this. Okay, so like this one, this is tucked under here, this is not, as you can see here. So this is already on the last hole here. So this has 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and then it has this kind of like a elongated hole here on this side. Okay, so this is what it looks like on me. So it's kind of like right above my hip, so for a crossbody, it's kind of, I'm 5'5" and about 140. This is what it looks like on me. Let me just put this. So this is what it looks on me, crossbody. And this is what it looks, maybe it looks better if I do a shoulder like this. So I'm gonna try to see if I can play with the tags or the shoulder strap. See if I can make it a little longer, because I think it's kind of short for my frame for a crossbody like this. It's kind of like right here. So I'm gonna try to see if I can put it here, like the longest or the farthest hole here, like the long hole right here. Okay, so the only thing, this is it looks like it's already patinaed. I guess most of the bags that were made like this, that's how, you know, it looks really nice like this. So but I'm not sure about this part where it's gonna be against your body, so just be careful with wearing probably denim or anything darker or anything new clothes that might get a color transfer. I've seen some people also wearing the bag like this if you don't want that to have a color transfer. I'm going to show you how I am going to end up using the last hole here, so that I will be able to make this like shoulder strap longer, because I'm 5'5", and I feel like if I put the hole here or this one here, it's kind of short from my frame, so I put it on the last one, which is not the actual hole, but it's just that design like this. So I'm putting it there. See how it looks like on me. And then, so this is just like a perfect here, so there's nothing hanging here, so as you can see. So now that made it longer, so I'm going to try to see how it looks like, and this time I tucked it in here. Okay, so, oh, there you go. That's much better for me. As you can see, so it's a little down. When it was here, it was like up here. So now it's more down. So that's how I'm gonna keep it. So, and then it's pretty steady. It's not like moving or anything if I put it here. Just fine. So I'm also I also don't put a lot of stuff in my bag. I'm very minimalistic. So I'm just gonna put here like a wallet, maybe like a small hairbrush, and lipstick, and then car keys and phone. That's it. That's what I usually bring anyway. And this is what it looks like. And I'll come back and show you how I'm going to shorten the strap to do like a handheld kind of type of handbag. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so on the website, one of the ways that this bag is being worn is like this. So what I did is I put it on the second hole here. So there's first, second, and then there's a third hole. So this is on the second hole, so I guess you can do this as a shoulder bag, but I'm not keen on this piece of leather hanging like this. I don't think it looks pleasing to me. So I'm gonna find out how to do it like this, because right now I'm kind of struggling on how to do it because I don't know how yet, so I'm still kind of testing it out and stuff. So when I figure it out, I'll show you how it's done. All right, be back. Okay, so it took me a while to figure it out, what is the best length for me for the shoulder bag. So this is what I did. So this is the first hole on the side, on the other side, and then right below it is where I put this here. So this is the longer hole actually, and it's not the first one. And then on the other side, this is the first hole, and then I put it on the second longer hole here. So that's where I put it, and then you just have to make sure you loop it here under, so that there's no hanging piece of leather when you wear it. So that's pretty much how I did it, and this is what it looks when it's shoulder bag. So it's kind of complicated, so it took me a while to kind of figure it out. So that's that, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be wearing this as a shoulder bag. I think it looks better for me when I wear this crossbody, because I'm a crossbody girl. And so this is how it looks like on the shoulder, like a shorter shoulder bag, kind of right there. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like this unboxing, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.